Hey everybody, Marco here with Keto Crypto, and today is your day to set up your digital wallet, okay? You've heard everybody's investing in crypto, in these digital assets of the future. You want to have your own digital assets and store them in your own wallet that you have control of. This here is the Bifrost Wallet. It is created by Towo Labs, T-O-W-O. This is a very powerful wallet, as the Towo Labs database center is located within the White Mountains of Sweden in Stockholm. So it is in what used to be a military base known as Pionen, P-I-O-N-E-N. So the wallet is secured by a data center that is deep inside of an ex-military base within the White Mountains. That's very powerful. So within this wallet, you can hold all your digital assets, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Flare, any Ethereum ERC20 asset, anything, just about every token out there you can hold here within this wallet. Okay, now there are other wallets that you might need if you're going to start investing in other networks, but most of the assets are available in this wallet. So you will install the wallet at the Google Play Store if you have Android, or in the App Store, the Apple App Store if you have Apple. Now, this is being done from a mobile device, which is recommended, as it is highly functional that way. So install it and then open up the wallet. Now, the Bifrost wallet is secured by your own private keys. What does that mean? When you create the wallet, as so, when you click create a new wallet, now there will be steps in this process that my screen will go black because of the privacy technology within the wallet. So I will guide you through those steps. You click agree. You understand that if you lose your recovery phrase, which are your keys, those are your words. It's a set of 12 words that you will need in order to access your wallet. Okay? So if you lose your device, if you lose your phone, it doesn't matter. As long as you don't lose your 12 words, that is the key to your safe. Okay? So you can just click back up now, and your 12 words should appear for you on the screen. So what you need to do is you need to copy these words down. Okay? So take a moment. If the screen is black now, that's because this is the part where you're seeing your words and you're copying them down. You're writing them on a piece of paper or in a book that you can keep safe and make sure nobody else has access to that. Okay? Okay, once you've written them down, click continue. And now you have to choose the words in the order that you wrote them down. So bear with me one moment while I do this. Okay, now I have done that. Now you will create your PIN code, and you can choose to enable biometrics if you choose so. Okay, now you should have successfully created your Bifrost wallet. Now this wallet is what you will use to store any and all of your digital assets, okay? So for example, there are no assets in this wallet yet because I have not received any. It's a brand new wallet. However, let's say I wanted to receive XRP, for example. I would go here and I would click receive. And I would search. You see, there's your Bitcoin address if you wanted to receive that. Where's XRP? There's your XRP address. So you just click tap on the address, just tap it once, just a little tap, and it will copy it. Then you can take that address, and depending on where you're buying your digital asset or whoever's sending you your XRP, you can give them that address by just pasting it. Now, once you receive the asset, you will see it there in your wallet. It'll say XRP with the amount. And that goes for any and all assets that you choose to buy, okay? Another very cool feature of this wallet is you can click this again, and you can actually buy digital assets from within the wallet. Now, this is through a third party. For example, if I wanted to buy XRP, I would just click it, and it would take me within the wallet, through the browser of the wallet, to this platform, which is Topper Pay, and I could choose to buy the amount of XRP that I wanted with my debit card or possibly credit card, if that's applicable. So this is an option and a feature that you could choose to do so if you wanted to. Okay, so what else can I do? I can receive assets, I can buy assets. There's so much you can do. Once you have your assets in this wallet, let's say you have XRP, okay? Or let's say you have, let's not go there. Let's just stick to XRP. Let's say you have XRP. Well, what you could do is if you studied, and if you studied with me here at Keto Crypto, you would know what platforms to connect to so that you can put your wealth to work for you. Okay? So what you could do is you see these 4 squares down here. You could click on these 4 squares, and that would take you to the internal browser. From there, you would type the protocol or the decentralized application URL, that it will take you to their protocol, their platform, where you could connect your wallet, this wallet, to the protocol. Connecting your wallet via a smart, intelligent smart contract that connects your digital assets, your wealth, so that you can start to be a liquidity provider. You can be the bank. You can put your assets to work. You can lend, you can borrow, you can enter a liquidity pool, you can do so many things, okay? But this is the first step. Creating a wallet, securing your keys, learning about the security, and then moving forward, receiving your assets in the wallet and learning how to become your own bank, putting your wealth to work for you, okay? So start here. Start with a very secure wallet secured by the White Mountains data center within the White Mountains of Towo Labs. The Bifrost Wallet is the way to go and a great place to start to store your digital assets. Check us out at Keto Crypto for a live one-on-one, whether it's a basic course, an advanced course, or the master course with me direct. And stay posted for our digital courses that will be coming out soon. But if you're ready to get involved, you're ready to become the bank, give me book a class with me at ketocrypto.net, ketocrypto.net. You can book it there, and we can start right away working together so that you can learn how to become the bank. Enjoy the Bifrost Wallet, and looking forward to seeing you in class, in a call, or maybe in person. Have a great day. Good luck out there.